again, everyone. Well, you join us in the living room because we no longer own a motorhome. Our motorhome has now been sold. You may have guessed that we looked at various different options when we went to the Peterborough show. We just felt that our sort of needs and wants and the way that we use the motorhome has evolved a little bit, and we're now looking for something slightly different. We did have some fantastic times in the old van and loved it very much, and a little bit sad to see it go after spending all the time working on it and the many lovely happy memories and holidays we've had in it. But we thought it was time to move on to something a little bit different, didn't we?
That's right, yes.
We did, yeah. So we do pick up the new van very soon, but of course the videos take a little while to go through the editing system and the publishing system, so don't worry, there is some content still to come out of the previous van, the Elddis Autoquest 270, and our trip up to Northumberland, so look out for that coming soon.
You'll enjoy that. I really, really loved Northumberland and the wilderness and the wildness of it as well.
Yeah, you loved the beaches, didn't you?
I did love the beaches. They were massive and beautiful.
And very windy. Yes, very windy, and the sea was quite rough, wasn't it? Although we did have good weather sun-wise, didn't we?
We did, but again, to me, the wildness and then the untamed factor of the sea and the respect that you give it, nature, is just incredible. It's just, it's a force to be reckoned with and admired.
Yeah, we had a lovely time, didn't we? And it was a fit-in last trip in the old van. I think we give the old girl a good run out and had a fantastic time in her, didn't we? And yeah.
And we've got lots of new adventures ahead of us.
We have indeed, we have indeed. So we're very much looking forward to picking up the new van. There's a little bit of sadness, from me at least anyway, of letting the old van go. I think you're a bit less emotional about it, aren't you?
I have some good memories, but they're good memories, and I just feel that we can make some more new good memories.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, that's a good way of looking at it. So yeah, just a quick roundup really of the van situation. And yeah, we look forward to seeing you soon in a future video when we go and pick up the new van.